Alright, we are gonna do another toy hunt video. We are gonna stop at Target to see what's cracking. Alright, in the Star Wars section, and I'm not seeing anything at all. It's like the same stuff we see all the time, because I'm not expecting the new stuff to come out yet. Like that new Black Series Wave with Princess Leia. Yeah, I'm not saying nothing over here for Star Wars. That's definitely gonna be on clearance very shortly. They got a whole shit tons here. Now let's go over to the Marvels. Oh, and guys, great news, by the way. The Spinosaurus is on Target's website right now. Oh man, I'm hype about that. I'm very hype about it. But I think it's in this form though, like this size. I want it to be that size. Well, are they the same? No, I think this one's a little longer. I wish it was in that size though. Or in that size. That would've been dope. Marvel Legends. Dried. They legit got nothing except for Black Panther and Deadpool back in black. That's all they seriously got. And the Black Widow. Other than that, nothing, dude. Let's see. Wrestling, nothing. Crap. I'm not crazy about the head scan. 2 packs. No, nothing really. Target is really dry today. Here's a store we haven't been to in a while. FYE. We're gonna go see what they got in here. Let's go do it. Alright, we're gonna make this quick because I want to get copyrighted real fast. But they do have the Hardy Boys 2-pack. They got Machiko, however you say her name. Matt Hardy, Dean Ambrose. Another Matt behind there. We got Dustin. We got the Death Squad Commander. What else? Nothing really else. Marvel Legends. Spider-Ham is dope. But they don't have that big of a selection here for figures. That blows.
This is kind of like Voldemort, I guess. I don't understand what that means. And he said this is him in disguise, basically. And I'm like, oh, okay.
Nothing I'm looking for though. I do still need that Elastigirl, but I'm not still paying full price for that. Yeah, we're going to GameStop. We're gonna check something out.
You want to videotape it? Open it here in front of the GameStop employee? Come on.
It's right there.
That would be
Sorry,
good.
don't worry. Alright, just bought the box.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what we got. Ready?
Yep.
So
We're all ready because I'm like really excited to see what it is too.
Oh, it's a crappy one.
Oh.
What'd you get?
Wildcat. The most shittiest one.
I got Max.
What?
What?
You got Max?
You got Max?
Yeah, I got Max. Goof Troop.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what he's looking for.
Not original.
Interesting.
Okay. So you
I
hold
don't
on
have
to
it
it.
though, but I'll take it.
Hold on to it to trade it or
Yeah,
whatever.
Why is he the crappy one?
Huh?
Why is he the crappy one?
Nobody likes Tailspin.
I love Tailspin.
Do you like Wildcat?
Alright, that might be a fair one.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Nothing else to pretty much go to. We've been to Target, FYE, GameStop, and disappointed with the GameStop. Where is it? Hold on, let me get the box real quick. All right. So I opened up my first Funko mystery box. And And it was the worst one. Wildcat from Tailspin. The least one that I wanted to get, but it's alright. I don't have it in my collection, so why not? And what else is in this box? Little Jerry, little plush. You know, I thought these were gonna be bigger, but they're actually not. The way they looked on the internet. I got Yummy Mummy Pez, which a lot of people are actually, believe it or not, are crazy for these. I'm not. We got a bag full of stars. I guess they glow or something. I don't freaking know. And a pin of Goofy and Max from Goof Troop. Man. So this was my very first box that I opened in today's video. And the reason why I opened it inside GameStop was because they were putting pressure on me. All the workers were, you know, they were nice people. They never saw anybody open up a box inside the store, and that main guy worker wanted to see what it was like, and so he was so excited that I opened it, and we all just like, damn. But it's okay. Don't forget, tomorrow's video I opened up the other 4. Yeah, the other 4, and I have one coming in the mail, so that's, I don't know when to expect that one, but we opened up one. So yeah, and before I end this video, I want you guys to check out this awesome drone footage that was taken by, I guess you could say, my country father. My country father has a drone, and we just did like a short, I don't know how long it was, 20 seconds of video, and it looked really badass. So I'm gonna throw it in this video, and let's check it out. So that was freaking dope. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button. If you're new, of course, subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Peace out to sweet.